my girl or my guy, I don't really know how Hermes identifies, like what their pronoun is.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare.
So again, the way you open it, and some of y'all know this because I know a lot of y'all own these bracelets. Hold on now. I was told, okay, size-wise, it's important that you know that this bracelet comes in 2 sizes.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Bree on TV, where I'm your host Bree. So my girl or my guy, I don't really know how Hermes identifies, like what their pronoun is, but Hermes is the star of the show today. I have had this Hermes item since May of 2022 and it's now December. It's just been collecting dust. Yeah, damn, that's been a long time. But what's funny is this is actually my first Hermes item for myself. I have on a previous vlog went shopping in Hermes, purchased an item, but that was for the person who I was dating at the time, and you can refer to this video to see a little bit about that experience. Yep, just real bland packaging, you know the vibes.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase this blue.
Okay, so this is the receipt. This is the receipt again. This is the receipt again. What the hell is going on? Okay. I know the tea, I know the vibes. So the reason why I have some in the receipts is because when I purchased, okay, a little back history. When I went into Hermes to purchase this item that I'm about to unbox, they had it, but not in my size. So the item that I'm about to unbox, I guess you'll see when I give you the details. So they didn't have it in my size. So they had to look on their website to see what other Hermes location had my item. And then they were going to ship it to the Atlanta Hermes location in Buckhead shops for free. So that is the reason why I have multiple receipts. I'm thinking that would be the only thing that made sense. Y'all tell me if y'all Hermes shoppers. And this is the sales associate's card. Did I have a good experience? Yeah, I did. I had a very pleasant Hermes experience when I went to shop in there for the second time. It was not the same sales associate that I had previously years ago when I went into the store to purchase an item for the guy who I was dating at the time. This person, I remember he was gay and he had a lot of spice to him. He was just like, and he was black. So like, girl, you gonna look good in this? Like, this the one? Like, I had a really pleasant experience because, you know, Hermes is very unknown to me. I don't know too much about the brand. So the fact that a king was like welcoming, shall I say, for me purchasing this for me to be able to purchase this, and like he literally closed the sale. He didn't make me feel like uncomfortable. Like he didn't feel any type of way that I didn't know anything about Hermes. He took his time to give me the back history in regards to Hermes and what the brand stood for. Now, I ain't no Hermesiologist, okay? Let's get that out the way. But I do remember him. Let me just pull up some Google facts. Because I remember him telling me Hermes actually started out as a horse. I don't even know what the proper term for like people who like to ride horses. But it started off as like a horse accessories gear type of brand. And then it just branched off into shoes, you know, jewelry, perfume, cologne, fragrances, home decor pieces, and so forth. I want to say I'm right on that. Y'all already know I'm finna save this ribbon for a DIY or something of that nature. I love saving my ribbons.
All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Are y'all ready? I am. It's been so long. Ooh, it looks so clean. Ooh, it's been waiting to come out. I will, of course, be keeping this for multiple purposes and uses.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself.
Oh my God. This bracelet is so beautiful. And I'm just so mad that I waited so long to open it. I could have been had that shit on. So I'm going to take off the plastic, or do I want to take off the plastic? Actually, no, because you really can't even tell looking at it that there's plastic on the brass gold. But what I did notice is there's like a barcode. I don't know if you can see it. There's a barcode, like a scanner on the inside of the bracelet. I want to say it has the serial number of my exact piece. You know, you got to take this stuff off slowly so that way it doesn't leave that sticky residue. I really enjoyed my experience with him. He even taught me how to put it on and take it off. Before I put it on, other details that are on the inside are Hermes. I want to say my serial number for my item. Made in France. So this particular piece was made in France. So again, the way you open it, and some of y'all know this because I know a lot of y'all own these bracelets. Hold on now. I was told, okay, you probably turn it this way. Let's hope. Hold the fuck up. How do you open it? Oh, okay. All right, I'm ready. So you squeeze it in. You squeeze it in, then you turn it. I was wondering what the fuck was T. Then you, stop playing with me. I'm gonna put it here. I hope y'all don't think this is too tacky, but I never claimed to be a non-tacky person. But this is my arm candy currently. So we're gonna slide that on there. Okay, so push in. Is it okay if I use my teeth? But, because how else am I supposed to twist that? Or can you, hold on, let me see. I probably can do it with one hand. Bam! Stop playing with me, I told y'all. Stop doing it. Oh God, this is so cute. It's just something about putting it on. It's just something about, like, I don't wear this so that way it can match my arm candy. Like, this is me. This is gonna be me 365 days on camera and off camera. So Wakanda forever, are y'all ready for this? I don't think I'll ever be taking off this bracelet other than, you know, going in the shower and stuff, because again, I do think this is costume jewelry. I know for a fact this is costume jewelry. This is not no real gold, okay? Okay, so I had to go to Hermes' website because this just got a lot going on here. So I just wanted to make sure I'm giving y'all the correct information. The name of the bracelet that was purchased in May of this year as a gift. It's unfortunate that me and that person are no longer acquaintances, but I'm still thankful for the gift. Clic H Bridges D Gala Bayadere Bracelet. Currently, it is sold out or out of stock on Hermes' website. So that is important to know, because when we were being informed from the sales associate, like when I was choosing what color, the reason why I chose this color of Bridges de Gala Bayadere is because of how neutral to me the color is. Like, it has gold in it, it has navy blue, it has, you know, like, it's gold base. I chose that because it will go with majority of everything that I wear on a daily basis. That's what I'm saying. When you go into the Hermes store, even when you're looking on a website, you have an abundance of variety to choose from in regards to these Clic bridge bracelets. Size wise, it's important that you know that this bracelet comes in 2 sizes. So I want to say the bigger version is PM. The bigger version was just way too big and too, you got a Hermes, see me. Like, I ain't want to do all of that. I can wear this every day. You may or you may not even know that I have it on my arm, but I know. And that's what matters. The bracelet was initially $710. And even though it says out of stock online, it's still the same price. It has not gone up. With taxes and fees included, it came up to $773.19. So they have the classic Clic H bracelets that come in a variety of colors that you see everybody wear. Those range from $660 in that little ballpark family. So another thing that is important to know is you can actually stack these bracelets. So will I be doing that? 100% not. I can just be honest with you. I don't think that that will look presentable to me, of like my taste buds, of me having like 2 Hermes bracelets on my arm. So I know for a fact I won't be doing that, but you can, and people do it. Along with them having like multiple design options, and then you can choose between a gold finish or a silver finish. I want to be able to like purchase other things from this designer, but I think that this is a perfect starter. Age range, I think that this is beautiful for a variety of different ages.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
But hopefully that has answered majority of your questions or thoughts in regards to my new Clic Hermes bracelet. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. It's a 10 out of 10.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every